Okay, so let's talk about exporting PDFs using Nitrocell with Excel tables and Creo models and drawings. So there's a couple things we need to check out here. First of all, let's take a look at the table model export PDF function here. And we'll notice that it requires a table with an item name. We can optionally write it to a new name if we want to. And then also a target directory. So if we just write it to the current directory, it's just going to write out wherever the current working directory is, or we could actually write it to a subdirectory. So this is a pretty simple thing. So I'm just going to write it to the current directory. We need a table for this though, and the iterator for that is going to be called item name. And in this particular case, let's actually let's open up our speaker assembly, and let's also open up our speaker outline drawing. So these are in session. So the first thing I want to do is let's do basket.prt, spider.prt, and then speaker outline dot drw. Yeah, drw. Okay, so I've got two parts and a drawing file, and I'm going to create a table out of this in Excel. And I'm going to say the first record there is going to be my header. And then we're going to give that name, that table a name of my table. Okay, so that's the reference we're going to use. So I'm going to use TBL colon my table, and we'll just press the do it button, and we should see as it iterates through each of those items here, we get our various PDF files generated. So if we take a look at our speaker outline, there's a drawing that we asked for. And if we go take a look at the models that are here, you'll notice that we also get these individual models are just a screenshot basically in a PDF format for what's there. So you can also put a wildcard on this too. So if we take a look at the requirements here, you'll notice that item name can also be wildcarded. So if we said, you know something, I want all of my, anything with a, let's say it starts with B or C.prt, and I'm just going to get rid of the drawing for now just so we can show the difference here. And we're going to be generating out our new files, and as you can see, it's generated anything that started with a B or C as part of our exports here. These are just models, obviously, but I think it's a pretty useful functionality, and you can, of course, extend this to be connected into Power Query or to do further customizations with relative ease.